Ready to ditch your wallet and experience the future of easy and secure payments? Today, we're diving into how to make a purchase with Apple Pay, both online and in physical stores. First up, let's conquer Instore Payments. When you're at the checkout, look for the Apple Pay or contactless payment symbol on the terminal. Double-click the side button on your iPhone to activate Apple Pay. Your default card will appear. If you want to use a different card, tap on the card displayed to choose another one from your wallet. Authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, following the prompts on your screen. Once authenticated, hold your iPhone near the contactless payment reader. You'll see a check mark and hear a beep or feel a vibration indicating that the payment is complete. Now, let's move to online purchases. Look for the Apple Pay button at checkout on participating websites or apps. Tap the Apple Pay button, select the card you want to use for the purchase, and review your shipping and billing information. You may need to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After authentication, your payment will be processed securely, and you'll receive a confirmation message on the website or app, and that's it. Using Apple Pay is incredibly simple and secure. Enjoy the convenience of contactless payments.